Watch this video clip and look out for developing hazards. As you're watching the clip, decide when you would click the mouse. Let's watch the clip again and talk about some things you could have noticed. Notice the junctions on both sides of the road. Is anything coming out of those junctions? Does anything want to turn in to the junctions and maybe cutting across your path? The lines in the centre of the road are long lines with short gaps. Long lines with short gaps are hazard lines. There's a pedestrian on the left and you're coming up to houses. Are any cars reversing out of the driveways? There's another junction on the left. This is where you need to start clicking. The cyclist has ridden out in front of us, causing us to slow down. This means the cyclist is the hazard. You should always be expecting and prepared for hazards like this one. If you click now, you've left it too late and you won't score. Keep watching the clip. Remember, one clip will have two hazards and you won't know which clip that will be. Notice the pedestrian crossing ahead and the mini roundabout before the crossing.